Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead. And you can see the fog that we had this morning has given way to lots of sunshine across the Arklatex on this Thursday afternoon as temperatures have already warmed into the 70s. And the warm temperatures will stick around until a very strong cold front rolls its way through the area during the day Saturday. Let's take a look at Robbins Toyota FUTURECAST. In advance of that front, we will see the possibility for a little bit of severe weather across the area, especially late tomorrow night into and through Saturday early afternoon. Here's a look at the model as we go through the nighttime hours tonight. The low clouds will once again return to the area. We should have enough wind where fog will not be an issue for tonight. And then tomorrow, we will see a mostly cloudy sky. Most of us will stay dry tomorrow. Tomorrow evening, there's going to be a few scattered thunderstorms that try to develop here across the northern edge of the area. Most models forecasting limited instability at this point, so don't expect to see too much as far as severe weather during the evening hours tomorrow evening. As we progress away through the nighttime hours tomorrow night, this activity will become more focused over the northwest edge of the area, and it does appear as if perhaps the best chance for a tornado or two tomorrow night will be to the north of the Arklatex, although obviously that is not yet set in stone. We will see this activity begin to spread more to the south and east heading into Saturday morning. You can see by late Saturday morning, could see some rain over parts of East Texas, most of the thunderstorms over southwest Arkansas, and it's going to be very windy in advance of this activity Saturday morning as well. And then going through the rest of Saturday, or at least into the afternoon hours Saturday, the worst of the storms will move out of the area. We'll be left with a few stragglers that still could be a bit on the strong side, possibly even severe, and then we'll see that rain come to an end as the colder air begins to rush its way into the area Saturday evening and Saturday night. We probably will see the clouds begin to decrease across the area late Saturday night, as we'll see a mix of clouds and sunshine and wind for Sunday. Now, as far as the severe weather threats, let's go through the outlooks from the Storm Prediction Center. This is for tomorrow and tomorrow night, and this probably will be after midnight. I would suspect that we'll see this activity flare up. And I do think that the best chances of maybe a tornado or two will be in this area here. As we go through Saturday, that risk of severe weather will shift a bit more to the south. As you can see here, the slight risk over the eastern, say, half of the areas where we will see the risk for a few strong storms. And for the most part, wind will be our biggest concern with this activity. The tornado risk is looking rather low. And let me show you why I say that. This is the output from FUTURECAST on potential rotation. And you can see this starts off Friday evening at 11 p.m. Move through Friday night. We're looking for these areas here of color. Notice they're all beige, showing that any rotation should be relatively weak. Other models do show a little bit more coverage here over the northern edge of the Arklatex late Saturday night, or Friday night I should say. Then heading through Saturday morning, you can see that main focus will stay to our north, and during the day Saturday, not a whole lot. If anything, the highest risk of tornadoes may be to the east of the Arklatex. So again, it does appear as if our risk of seeing any tornadoes is looking rather low at this point. As far as rainfall, FUTURECAST showing the heaviest totals will occur over the northern sections of the area, as we're going to see an upper level impulse, which is going to provide the oomph, if you will, for these thunderstorms, and it's going to slide well to our north. So the closer you are to that disturbance, the more rain you're likely going to get. So northern edge of the area, good 1 to maybe 2 inches of rain will be possible, but where the rain will be much more scattered, amounts probably going to be below a half an inch, the way it looks right now across the region as we go through Friday night and Saturday. Longer range, what's going to be happening is that we will see, again, you can see this disturbance here over the desert southwest. This is going to weaken, and you can see how it loses its identity, so to speak, as this next trough digs in behind it. This is going to be the kicker that kicks this thing out. And you can see it clearly weakens as it moves to the north and east, but will be enough to produce those thunderstorms. And then we'll see the main upper level low and disturbance move through, bringing in the colder air, and then it'll lift off to the north and east, and our atmosphere will modify. Could see another slight chance of rain next Thursday, and then maybe a more significant chance for some rain towards the end of next weekend. So your forecast looks like this for tonight. We're going to be looking at the clouds increasing across the area, as we'll see temperatures Cool, but not as cool as last night, as we'll see the low to middle 50s north and the low to middle 60s south. 64 in Natchitoches, 62 in Shreveport, 58 degrees in Texarkana. Looking ahead to tomorrow, we will see again a mostly cloudy sky, very small chance for a shower, as highs will be in the upper 70s to low 80s south, close to a record in Shreveport. And we'll see highs across the northern part of the area, basically in the middle 70s. That includes 76 in Texarkana, 75 in DeQueen, right around 80 in Shreveport, 82 the warm spot tomorrow, more than likely in Natchitoches. 10-day forecast shows the big drop in temperatures. We go from 76 Saturday to 29 degrees Sunday, and then we will see temperatures begin to warm up again. Back to 70 by Wednesday. Very small chance of rain Thursday. We cool off again and then warm up again with another disturbance, bringing a chance for a shower or thunderstorm late next weekend. So all in all, it looks like, again, possibility for some strong to severe thunderstorms, especially over the northern sections of the area late Friday night and Saturday morning.